Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, cannot delete registry key error while deleting key Windows 11, 10 fix. Right-click key, click permission. Add everyone. Now you can delete a key. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.